Getting around in Schoology. The OneDrive Assignments app can be used to easily assign documents, PowerPoints, and other things from your OneDrive to your students. To begin, all you have to do is click Add Materials and Add Assignment. On the assignment screen, you should see Assign from App, OneDrive Assignments. If you don't see this button, go to your App Center and make sure that the OneDrive Assignments app is assigned to the course that you're in. When you click on OneDrive Assignments for the first time, you may see this prompt to connect it to your OneDrive. After you click the Connect button, you'll see a prompt to log into your OneDrive account. Now all I have to do is search at the top or browse in my OneDrive for the document that I want to give to the students as an assignment. You can preview the document by clicking this View button off to the right-hand side. Once you have your document selected, highlight it and click Attach. You'll see that it says the name of the document right there, and it says this will create a copy of your file for each student. After you've attached your assignment, fill out the name of your assignment, any directions or description for your students, the due date, category, grading period, and the rest of the information that you would normally add to an assignment. Now when you click Create in OneDrive Assignment for the first time, it's going to create new folders in your OneDrive. The main folder will be called Schoology, and under that will be folders for your courses and sections. Once those are created, don't delete them. Now that I've filled out my assignment, I'm going to click Create, and it's created the assignment in my course. Make sure your students know how to log into their Office 365 accounts. You're going to want to practice this with your students until they're familiar with the process and their username and password. To view student work, scroll down and click on your assignment. The assignment page has 3 tabs. Under the Assignment tab, you can review the assignment and view the original document. In Progress, you can see all of the students' copies of the assignment and what they've done to it so far. If a student hasn't clicked to open the assignment yet, you'll see this message that says, "It looks like Tabitha has not opened the assignment yet. Once your student clicks on My Document, a copy of your original file will be created and the document will appear here." Note, you can also see these documents in that folder that it created in OneDrive. And under Submissions, you'll see the student's final work after they've pushed Submit. And here's what it looks like for students. They'll see the name of the assignment, and they have an Assignment tab that tells them the description, which is where you would write your directions or any other description of the assignment, and My Document. Once they click on My Document, it's going to create that copy of the original file for them. Now at this point, students will have to log in with their Office 365 username and password and click that Authorize App button so that OneDrive can access Schoology and Schoology can access OneDrive. Then they'll be able to click Edit and edit the document right in Schoology. Once they're done, they'll be able to click Submit Assignment. Once the students are done, again, they click Submit Assignment to submit their work. Once students click Submit, they'll no longer be able to edit the Microsoft file. Now they'll still be able to see it, they just won't be able to edit it. As many times before the due date, they can click Unsubmit to make changes. But after the due date, they won't be able to do that anymore. As a teacher, you're always going to have edit access to that document. So you can go in and leave notes, highlight things, and make comments to the student.